Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll discuss out-of-pocket expenses in volunteer services. The value of volunteer services given to a qualified organization cannot be deducted. However, in the course of volunteering for qualified organizations, some associated expenses can be deducted, provided that the expenses are unreimbursed. The expenses must also be directly connected with the volunteer services and must only be incurred because of the service given to the qualifying organization. No personal, living, or family expenses are deductible. This is Table 2 from IRS Publication 526. Table 2 provides some specific examples of situations where out-of-pocket expenses can and cannot be deducted. Let's take a look at review question number 5. Amy volunteers 6 hours once per week as a Red Cross nurse's aide at a hospital 35 miles from her home. Which of the following can she deduct as an out-of-pocket expense? A. $45, which is 50% of the $15 an hour wage that the paid nurses' aides receive. B. The $50 she paid a babysitter to watch her son while volunteering. C. The cost to clean the uniform she must wear at the hospital after spilling her morning coffee on the way to volunteer. Or D. The cost to replace the flat tires she got on the way to the hospital. The answer is C. A taxpayer can deduct the cost of buying and cleaning uniforms if the organization is a qualified organization, the uniforms are not suitable for everyday use, and if the uniform must be worn while volunteering.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.